Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi and welcome to you my YouTube channel. We are solving in this video 10th class maths NCERT book chapter 9 exercise 9.1 question number 10. And what the question number 10 says, two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. From a point between on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. So in this question, we have given two poles whose heights are equal. Okay, and both there is a road which is 80-meter wide, and the poles are standing on the opposite side of the road. Means one is left side and another is you are considered right side. Okay, now there is a road which is passing through from the foot of the poles. Now on the road there is a point from where the angle of elevation of the top of the pole are 60 degree and 30 degree. Okay, so now here is a point which pole will be which pole's angle of elevation will be 60 degree and 30 degree. So bache, I as told you, the object and the point, the distance will increase, the angle of elevation will decrease. Okay, if suppose a point is near to the object, then angle of elevation will be large. Okay, as the point will be moved from the foot of the tower or building or the pole, the angle of elevation will be decreased. Okay, so the point, the pole which is near the point, the angle of elevation for that pole will be 60 degree, and the pole which is far from the point, the angle of elevation will be 30 degree for that. So according to this, first we will draw the diagram. Okay, we have pole 1 and pole 2 whose heights are h, as it is given that both have the equal height, and 80-meter wide road is between them, and both the either side they are poles are standing either side of the road, 80-meter wide road. Suppose we are taking a point C on the road. So the pole 1 is near to the point C, so the angle of elevation for this point 60 degree, and as the pole 2 is far from the point C, so the angle of elevation will be 30 degree for this pole. Okay, so now first we will try to find out the relation between h and x. As we don't have base and the height for the first triangle, only the angle of elevation we have, and for the second pole, angle of elevation, height. See, we are considering the distance between the first pole and point C is x, then distance between the second pole and the point C will be 80 minus x, as the total width is 80. So the second pole will be 80 minus x meter far away from the point. So first we are taking in the triangle ABC, right angle triangle. So right angle triangle ABC, angle of elevation is 60, height is not given, base is we are considering x, so h upon x. 1060 equal to root 3 h upon x. So h will be x root 3 meter after cross multiplication. Okay, so now we will take in another right angle triangle EDC. So in this elevation is 30 degree, perpendicular upon base, perpendicular ED, BC is DC. In this case the base will be DC, 80 minus x, and the height perpendicular will be the same, h. 10 30 degree 1 upon root 3, height of the pole h, and the base 80 minus x. After cross multiplying 80 minus x and h root 3. Okay, so now we have a relation between x and h. we have got from the first triangle h equal to x root 3. Now I am putting the value of h is equal to x root 3 in this. So x root 3 into root 3 is equal to 80 minus x. So it will be root 3 3 and x, when this x will be goes to the left hand side, it will be plus, so 80. X will be, after dividing by 4, it will be 20 meter. Okay, so now that means x we have. X means the distance between the point on the road and the first pole is 20 meters. So now we can easily calculate the distance of second pole from the point on the road, that is 80 minus 20, that is 60 meter. Okay, now we have to find out the height of the pole also. The both poles are same height, so h equal to x root 3. X is 20 root 3, so height of the both poles equal to 20 root 3. So this is the solution of the question number 10. It is good question. So some basic point which we used here, which angle will be 60 degree, which angle will be 30 degree. So as I always told you, if the object is near, the angle of elevation will be larger. If the point from where we are making the angle of elevation and the object is far, so at see children, as the distance will increase from the object and the point, the distance increase, the angle of elevation will be decrease. इस तरीके से हम इन क्वेश्चंस को करते हैं. ठीक है. So this is the solution for the question number 10.